SD card?
It's the D-Vlog experience. Hold up. So Vlogtober is over, but the vlogs keep coming. They're not going to be every day, which I didn't actually fulfill that every day.
Me either, guys.
I did 21 videos though, and I'm proud of that, you know. And so from now on, I'll just be putting out vlogs every now and then. I'm going to try to do 2 or 3 a week. So today I'm in Elberton, and I'm hanging out with my wife and my brother. And Owen is at the office. On Thursdays, I'm off of work, and so I always go to work with Amanda. I can do that because she works at my family's business. She works with my mom and grandmother, and...
Oh, there was a cat on the road. Dead. Let's have a moment of silence.
That's good. You heard it, Lugo. What is that Pokemon Go?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, Thursdays I go to work with her, and it's cool because it's my family business. I actually grew up there, and so that's what I do on Thursdays. And typically Luke and I play one-on-one and film it, but we're not doing that today. We're switching it up. So plus, I mean, he's probably tired of just... Y'all are probably tired of watching me destroy him. So
Yeah, but it's weird though, cause you know, when I exposed him, he didn't post it on YouTube yet.
Didn't he?
That is true. I haven't put that video up yet. Luke did beat me, and that video may not ever get put up. Also, check the braids.
Also, there's a girl.
Can you see it?
This one
Can
braid.
you see the braid? So Amanda braided my hair, and man bun.
It's like just sticking up.
Yeah. I know. So we're gonna go do what we always do on
wait,
Thursdays.
where are we eating?
Seriously, anywhere. You just say where.
Anywhere but Papa's Pizza. So I'm guessing we're still going to Papa's Pizza.
Yep.
Damien, I think James Harden and Damien lit it up, and they're both balling out for me. And DeAndre Jordan's doing good too, but I think D. Lillard was a steal. So was DeAndre. I just keep on me picking up DeAndre Jordan today.
I think that's still too.
And
I think we all have nervous ticks when Derek's around filming, because Ryan goes bang bang.
Bang bang.
What does Luke do?
Nothing.
No, Luke goes like this. He goes,
Hey, 3. Perfect. Thank you.
no, I probably scratched myself, let's be honest. I guess I'm sitting next to Derek. I don't know. I guess I want to. So with Derek.
Sweet tea to drink. What do you want?
Oh,
Sprite.
This is the best sweet tea I have ever drank.
And it's at a Mexican restaurant.
Nice dance moves.
Derek's about to ask us some questions and we're going to answer it.
Question number 1. What is your favorite candle scent?
ooh. Pumpkin spice. I asked her if that was a thing.
I know this sounds weird, but I like manly scents. Like, there's this one, I think it's like
It's not weird.
Timberwood or something like that at Bath & Body Works.
That's weird.
It's so good. It smells like aftershave. And then Glade makes one that's really good. I think it's like flannel shirt or something like that.
If you could have any celebrity be your sibling, who would it be?
I think so. What would be a good
Who's a good British person? Toby. Yeah, Steph.
Steph be your brother?
I would not want Steph to be my brother. First
would.
off,
Oh,
he would
actually-
outdo
You
me.
know what though?
Yeah, but you get some cash, man. Get
You
that
know what
cash
though?
flow.
I'd probably celebrity. I've never been my brother. I wish Derek Brown was my brother. That's a popular celebrity right there.
It's not about the money, guys. It's about what's
This is
here.
just for Luke, but you can also make a guess for Luke. Don't say it yet. I'll count to 3. How old do you think you'll be when you get married? How old do you think Luke will be when he gets married? Both say the number at the count of 3. Got it? 1, 2, 3.
26.
If you had a daughter, what would you name her?
Grace. I love that name.
Okay.
Charlotte.
If you have a
That's
son
that's my daughter.
or another son, what would you name him?
Luke Jr. I'm just kidding.
You're drinking.
The pig bear, yes. Elizabeth.
Is Elizabeth?
Elizabeth. He said Elizabeth. Do it again. So how you say it?
Elizabeth. Alright, well. Your Bojangles it is.
I bet your Bojangles it is. That was fast. Thank you.
Thank you.
That looks good. What is that? Thank you.
Okay, so our food's here, so we're about to eat. So we'll be right back. And we're back. We're here at the shed. And Luke's gonna hang out. He's got his Xbox here, so we're gonna do that.
So we're gonna record some 2K.
Let me see if my boy's up.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna start posting a lot more videos. So you should go to my channel and check it out. It's called Luke Hot, and I'm gonna post a lot of 2K videos.
Okay, so now we're going home and we're going to the YMCA to play basketball this afternoon. Try to get some shots of that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Luke's going with us. Give him 3 reasons why they should subscribe to the D-Vlog experience.
1, it's an experience you'll never see anywhere else. 2, it's fun, it's interactive. Because if you comment what you want to see, you'll probably do it. 3,
yeah,
it's multiple times content. You like basketball one-on-one videos. You like just standing there vlogging. And cute babies, he's got that too. You want gaming? Sure, you can do that too. Got a great sense of humor.
Wow, that was the nicest thing you've ever said to me.
Because I don't really have many subs, and I need some more. Subscribe. No. Ow, head. I'm trying to go away from the camera. Stop.
Ah!
So, we played ball. I made one good shot. One. It's alright. But, anyway, this is the end of Derek's vlog. We're going to sleep once Derek puts Owen to sleep. And, yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a really good day to vlog because we're going to have a bunch of friends over. And have a bonfire and have so much fun like that, so... see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.